Hi Neha, how are you today?
Hi, Rahul. I'm good. How about you?
I'm doing well today.
That's nice to hear.
What are you doing now?
I'm just walking in the park.
Really? I love this park.
Yes, it is very peaceful here.
Did you come here alone?
Yes, I wanted some fresh air.
That's a good idea.
What about you? Why are you here?
I came here for a short walk.
Walking is good for health.
Yes, it makes me feel relaxed.
I agree with you.
Do you come here every day?
No, only on weekends.
I see.
What do you usually do on weekends?
I usually read books or watch movies.
That sounds interesting.
Do you like watching movies?
Yes, I enjoy comedy movies.
Comedy movies are fun.
They always make me laugh.
What kind of books do you read?
I like motivational books.
That's great.
Do you like reading books?
Yes, I read sometimes.
Reading improves knowledge.
That's true.
By the way, did you finish your work today?
Yes, I finished it in the morning.
That's good.
Are you busy these days?
A little bit, but it's manageable.
Work can be stressful sometimes.
Yes, but we must stay positive.
You are right.
Positive thinking helps a lot.
Do you exercise regularly?
Yes, I try to exercise daily.
That's impressive.
What about you?
I exercise 3 times a week.
That's good enough.
What do you do after work?
I usually listen to music.
Music is very relaxing.
Yes, it improves my mood.
Who is your favorite singer?
I like Arjit Singh.
He sings beautifully.
Yes, his voice is amazing.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love traveling.
Which place do you want to visit?
I want to visit the mountains.
Mountains are beautiful.
The fresh air there is wonderful.
Traveling gives new experiences.
And it creates good memories.
That's absolutely true.
Do you travel often?
Not very often, but I enjoy it.
That's nice.
What are your plans for tomorrow?
Tomorrow I will visit my friend.
Sounds like fun.
Yes, we haven't met for a long time.
Friends are very important.
Yes, they make life beautiful.
I completely agree.
By the way, what time is it now?
It's almost 6 p.m.
Oh, time passed so quickly.
Yes, it did.
I should go home now.
Okay, it was nice talking to you.
Same here.